Today's news media offer an overview of what's going on, but some subjects deserve a closer look. I'm Terry Bradshaw. Join me as we investigate current events and issues, bringing you closer to the topics that matter and the people that make them happen. This is Edition. From cleaning fluids to manufacturing processes, most of our activities do some harm to the environment. But if we use our untapped reserves of common sense, we can find ways to be more environmentally friendly. Let's take a look at some ideas. In 2009, Jerry Knowles, a 3-decade veteran of the oil and gas industry, noticed that many of the wells he visited were struggling with the same core issues. One was the intense friction of metal against metal deep within the drilling hole. Another was removing loose material that can gather in the horizontal section and bind the equipment even more. A third was finding a way to reduce the extremely high pressures that pumps need to produce. Before the introduction of horizontal completion techniques and fracturing operations, the average well will only produce 20 to 40% of its available reserves. Jerry felt there should be a better way of dealing with these horizontal well issues, and after decades of working with coil tubing, he found the solution he was seeking. It was all in the application of chemicals. Then he formed the company, CoilChem.
One of the single largest challenges that we face today are the increasing lateral lengths on the horizontal wells that are being drilled. Our ability to be able to access these wells becomes increasingly difficult as the lateral length extends. Quite simply put, we can drill further than what we can complete.
Drilling technology has come a long way. A job that in the 1980s would have taken a year to drill, today is accomplished in about a month. Unfortunately, it is completion technology that has lagged behind in horizontal well drilling applications. A better understanding of the chemicals infused into a well has solved some lingering problems, improving completion time and production capacity.
Historically, completion chemical application has been more of an art form than a science. This has led to great inconsistency in the application of these chemicals, therefore leaving a void in one of the most critical components of the operation.
The most exciting development in this process is that CoilChem has developed green, environmentally friendly chemicals for these tasks. CoilChem solutions involve chemicals made from food-grade, biodegradable products that are non-toxic and not hazardous to the environment. CoilChem's technology includes the equipment to properly dose the water stream with these chemicals and mix them properly to attain the optimum effect.
We have found that the use of focused organic chemistry using food-grade materials can be far more effective than conventional chemistry for horizontal well completions.
In order to advance the use of green chemicals, the company needed to prove to many observers that organic-based solutions would work as reliably as conventional chemistry that had been the go-to solution for decades. Using non-toxic biodegradable substances reduces the chance of harm to workers, the soiling of pristine land, and the contamination of groundwater. This approach will also go a long way toward healing the public's negative image of the petroleum industry and its activities.
Philpott's relationship with CoilChem allows us to expand on our 125-year commitment to providing environmentally responsible products in the industrial market, now to the oil and gas business.
For oil and gas companies, using the right chemicals in the right proportions means extending their reach during horizontal drilling and completion operations. The lateral extension of horizontal drilling has been increased between 500 and 1,500 feet further than was possible using the traditional process. In fact, CoilChem solutions have been instrumental in helping set a new horizontal depth record in the Bakken Formation in North Dakota.
Unconventional drilling techniques are going to play a vital role in the U.S.'s ability to become energy independent. These extended length laterals allow us to be able to access resources that were otherwise unrecoverable within the U.S. borders.
Using the right technology, the industry may very well reach its goal of being less invasive on the environment, yet push America closer to energy independence.